convenient. A proud sponsor of Trees for Life. Visit blackmap.ca to order your gardening products today.
680 News Time 311 now traffic and weather with Mike Davey. This report brought to you by Clutch.ca. Northbound 427 approaching the 401, and this is right where it kind of splits into northbound 427 and the eastbound 401. There is debris in two of the center lanes. A tow also on scene here now as well. It's causing a delay from Bloor in the Express. Once you're north of that, though, it's pretty smooth sailing. On the eastbound Gardner, Dufferin to Strawn, it goes down to 2 lanes from 3. This is for long-term construction. This is causing a backup from just east of the 427. Eastbound QEW delays east of Erin Mills to Dixie. Westbound on the Gardner, it's a slow drive coming out of the downtown core. Port Roaching to Bathurst to Western